events. This distance sometimes because also how we react towards uthando it's different. Ne? Someone doesn't like prefers ukuthi kube into yokuthi I see you constantly so that my love for you can be stronger. Ne? And then omunye uzothi, I don't mind the long distance.
But in
It
distance
makes the heart fond.
yeah.
It makes what?
The heart fond.
I don't know about that.
What is that?
Whoever said that,
I feel like it depends on the person. Because maybe the more you don't see, the more you miss them. Like, so you cherish the moment you have with them.
Yeah,
It depends.
I'm not.
I'm not.
Hey,
So
please.
sharp.
And so, okay, you know celebrities, right? I'm sure you all
Think so.
know Nesty Sianke.
Yeah.
You all know Aries as well, right?
Yeah.
My question now is,
Wait.
Nesty C or Aries?
The great debate.
Oh my god, that's like a topic. Wait.
We might just get cancelled at this point, guys. Yo.
Should we give a reason?
Yeah, you can.
Dang. I would say.
Also, you vote on it.
It's
been a while.
It's been
You vote.
But so guys, what you have to do now? You have to
Okay.
say welcome to Vibescape Origin Podcast.
What?
Then Vibescape
Okay.
Origin Podcast.
Vibescape.
Okay.
We'll say no topic is off. Topic.
No
Oh,
topic
that's
is off.
Topic. Nah,
sure.
bro. You can do it
It's
like
not-
that.
That's too much information.
Let's just open it now.
Yeah.
When I say no topic is off topic, you'll repeat after me. Is it fine?
Okay.
Okay.
When I say no topic is off
Topic.
no topic is off
Topic.
right?
Okay.
Okay.
Welcome again, Buffett. It's that time once again. It's the Vibescape Origin Podcast, the government. When no topic is off,
Topic.
when no topic is off,
Topic.
Danko, Buffett. It's your boy, Ubayete. Umzukulu kaMkhwana usigazi umele asungekazi uthule isifoni. Hlase njengesilo samanzi ngambonga wena ngezibuko wela ngihlengele zomfula bafethu. I'm not alone. I'm with my co-host, Uspitori, the one and only. Let us introduce her, and we have beautiful guests today. They will introduce themselves as well. So, when?
It's a voice theory. Hey yo, boom! This is King Ginger. I'm joking. Let me be serious now.
Yeah.
So this is a voice theory. I'm fine. I'm dead. I'm back. Safe space. I'm home now. It's been a while.
It's been a while, dog.
I've last came. Yo, now we're approaching episode 20.
Yeah, it is actually.
Episode 21. I think I've last
21. Yeah.
I've last been on the podcast maybe episode 10.
Is it?
10. I'm telling you, 10.
Bro. You trying to tell me that you didn't like shoot 10 episodes?
I didn't shoot 2 consecutive months.
Yeah,
But I'm back, guys. I'm back. And we have 2 beautiful ladies.
Yes, sir.
They will introduce themselves.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, guys. My name is Kizia.
Issue.
Okay. Hi guys, I'm Minentle.
Issue.
On. I thought they will say, hi guys, I'm Minentle, the content creator.
Yeah, but yeah, friends, we have beautiful guests today. It's gonna be a very fun and productive episode.
Yeah.
First of all,
Let me break the ice. Nah.
They must. Okay, break the ice.
Can I please?
Break it.
Can I break the ice?
Yeah.
Sure. Let me break the ice. So we're gonna play one word answer game. Nah. So in this game, you ain't thinking. Nah. You just say what comes to your mind first.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Any
So,
word.
yes. So I'm choosing. Maybe I'll make you choose. Maybe buy it or tap. Then you say tap or buy it.
Okay.
You choose one. Get it?
Tap or wine. What are you gonna say? A sentence and then?
Nah. I'll give you 2 words.
Yeah.
Okay.
Choose one.
Oh,
So
okay.
let's choose
On.
one.
Okay.
So sisebenza kanjani? Siqala ngayo silandela ngayo or how?
Obvious, you'll ask the both of them, right? And then bazokhetha i-answer yabo bona.
Oh, both
Yeah.
of them.
Yes.
Sharp. One word answer, ne? Love or money?
Money. Like for the love. Not for the love.
No, never for the love.
Text or calls?
Text.
Calls.
Why?
I don't like calling.
Mm.
I don't like. It makes me anxious though. I'd rather take someone. Yeah.
Calls.
No calls. I want to hear your voice, so I need to hear what you have to say.
Ne?
You know.
Looks or personality?
That's a difficult one.
Okay. Realistically,
Yeah.
Looks.
Which one is better, my guy?
Personality.
Oh, what?
Personality.
Why?
You can be the most handsome gent, ne?
Yes, but
he's
if
fab.
your personality is
Okay.
Exactly. Your personality. If his personality is ugly, then he treats people better.
Exactly.
Okay,
bro.
not treating. I'll be the personality taker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
But they
bring
have
the
to
vibe.
I'll
Like,
Yeah. Nice guy or toxic guy?
nice guy. Definitely.
Toxic.
Like,
Never.
why would I do it?
Like,
Awubuza uPedro good.
Oh, good man, good boy, bad boy.
Yeah.
Kiss or cuddles?
Cuddle.
cuddle. Probably, yeah.
Private relationship or public relationship?
Private.
Okay, in terms of what? Social media or like
In general.
public?
Private.
Why private?
Now I want things to be like kept private. Like I don't want people to like know, because once it's out there, it comes with a lot. So I don't want that.
A cheater or a lie?
Yo.
Liar. I don't want to cheat. I don't want to cheat.
Yo,
I'm not really a cheater.
I think I can deal with lies,
I
but
feel
not
like a
cheating.
I wouldn't
Don't you
think that.
lying is also cheating?
No.
In a way,
But you're
yeah,
making
in a
me
way.
choose
You
one,
can cheat
so-
and say you're not cheating. Yeah,
Exactly.
Cheating, just the
I
word.
think cheating is lying, but lying can't be cheating. Like
Mm.
lying, you can deal with it, but cheating, oh.
How does one deal with lying?
Exactly.
I feel like you can tell
How?
when someone's lying. You can tell, or you just don't believe them at all.
You know, a good liar. A good lie never. You can't find out if okay, sharp, an ex or a new crush.
New crush.
Moving
We don't
forward.
go back.
We
We
don't
don't
forward, not
Moving
backwards.
forward. Body count of personality.
What?
Body count of personality.
Personality. Like,
But you said at first, you're not contradicting yourself. You said you wanted like the most handsome gent over personality, but now you're choosing personality over body count.
Okay, body count in terms of what? Like, is it high? Like, what are we talking about?
High body count.
No, why would we want to hide? But like,
Okay,
throws me some off.
No,
Like,
sharp,
like-
that's done.
Okay.
Which one is worst? Ne?
Okay.
Cheating or one night stand?
oh,
A consecutive cheater. Which one hurts the most?
Okay.
Between
What?
cheating or one night stand?
which
Yeah.
hurts the most?
A boy, which one hurts the most between cheating or one night stand?
I feel like
Oh my God.
cheating still. I feel like cheating. I can't
Cheating.
forgive
It's too much.
cheating.
Yeah,
Definitely
Especially
cheating.
One night stand.
Especially if you have pure intentions. So I cheating my guy.
Exactly.
Boy, one night stand, boy.
I was cheating.
Like one night stand. Imagine now one mistake, boy. One mistake. Al-Sagaz, al-Pen.
Yo, bro, I'm at a cheating.
Cheating's worse. I
I'm
can't lie.
cheating.
Like it's better to move on to the next thing.
Exactly.
How, boy? How?
But when someone cheated on you, shows time in a way, like you love that person. Don't like one night stands. Also, we're not even dating.
Boy, let's say you're dating a person, ne? Then nobody one night stand in between, ne? It's good one thing, that one thing. If that maybe let's say usuka la endlini, ne? Maybe or somewhere. Then when she arrives, maybe let's say go ne? Then first work, one night stand. Then when she comes back, uyacabanga ka ukuthi if I didn't let her go, so then cheating is consecutive. It's something that she wanted to do from the first place.
Oh,
But
it's
you want to
if she-
extend.
Oh, if she.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's something that she wanted to do, but then you understand why it hurts the most. Why you know that
But
you
cheating
can't-
is still like
cheating. That
cheating
means
is
they
better.
genuinely like that person if
Mm.
they're continuing to cheat with them or yeah.
Why cheating?
They might
cheating,
never
yeah.
see that person again. That
Yeah, with the one night stand,
exact,
you
but they're
might
always
never
gonna
see,
see the
yeah.
person they're cheating with.
So then you can forgive or next time.
Yeah, you can forgive. I feel like you
Okay,
can forgive.
I wouldn't forgive, but
Like-
if someone was,
You can forgive.
I wouldn't forgive any. That's the thing.
You can forgive.
I mean,
Amara cheating, dog.
Cheating is something else.
No.
Like, how do you deal with it? How do you deal with it?
but if you think about it, I understand was.
Amara cheating, yo.
Aye.
Hence, it depends on the context and get.
Hmm.
If you really like love that person or you have pure intentions towards her, then cheating, it's too much.
It's something.
Yeah, but unless if you are not serious, then it wouldn't
Yeah,
hurt. Or Scott.
Yeah, it's bad.
What do you guys think?
cheating is worse.
Yeah, cheating is definitely.
Is worse.
Yeah.
I can't forgive
Let's
cheating.
go.
I have a question.
You
eh?
experience
Yeah.
both.
I have a question. So my question is,
Okay.
would you rather be with a guy who's like still starting off, Snati is still on foundation phase, trying to
Kind of.
build himself,
Okay.
ne? Or a guy who's already there in terms of finances? Which one would you go for? Do you understand my question, or should I repeat it?
Yes.
Can you
Someone
repeat?
who's made it and someone who's still trying to make it.
Yes, but now this someone, obviously, he doesn't have much as of yet, but he's still trying
to
to
build
do
himself
you
up.
understand? So which one would you go for?
Be honest.
The one who's
honest,
already made
Yeah.
it.
Simple.
What's
The one who's
catch?
already
Let's
made
say-
it.
let's say- let's
That's
say-
what I'm
let's
trying to
say-
figure out.
let's
What's
say
the
the
catch?
catch, the guy who already made it.
Yes.
Hey, he's cheating. And this one is
Oh.
loyal.
Yeah, let's just say
Okay, he's
Okay.
married. Then you are willing to be maybe a side chick or
No.
something.
let's just
No.
say the guy who's already made it,
Okay.
he doesn't like he doesn't I don't know man. He doesn't beg, he doesn't give you that much attention in a way. But
He doesn't make effort.
Yes.
Then
But
the one who's
but
trying
he
to
sends you
make
money
it.
though.
No.
Like
he sends
he
money.
sends you money, like he's serious man. And then the other guy
No.
is always there for you, but he doesn't have much. Which one?
No,
would you-
someone that doesn't have much.
Exactly.
Because he's
I'm
gonna
trying
put
to
more
get,
effort in.
you know, the
Yeah,
effort.
more effort. He's gonna consider you.
Exactly.
So, yeah,
But also, the thing is, what if they switch up on you when they make
Oh,
it?
that,
Yeah.
oh yeah, that one is not a tough one. That's
But
a
they
tough
definitely
one.
will. Obviously, the moment you make it, you'll see better.
Hmm.
Yeah, but I think it depends. It depends. We are not the same.
Mm.
Yeah, we're not the same. Because I feel like there is I don't know how to put this, man. It's slow.
English.
English, man.
Then translated, I'm gonna.
English is running away. What I'm trying to say is, it's always nice to, let's say maybe you find that breakthrough in your life, right?
Okay.
And then you look back where you came from, and you have this person that you have who's been there with you throughout
Yeah.
everything. Yeah, I think it's much more i-right kanjalo ibukeka kahle than uzothi uma usufike uthola umuntu already you are well established. You understand? It's not like you can just look back ukuthi I come there and there with this person. Do you understand? You just got here, you figure everything is here.
Yeah.
You understand?
But they brought you into their lives, so they can't really complain about that.
No, I'm not saying they are
Okay.
complaining, but I'm saying as Umchita or even Nina,
Mhm.
uba nayo laa nto leyo ukuthi I've been through the most with this person.
Oh,
We
okay.
finally made it. We finally made it. Do you understand?
Yeah,
I think
feel
it's a
how
different
we're both kind and
conversation.
stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I must say figure out it's different. Yeah.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
mina personally ngifile ngathi ku-right uthola umuntu yabo ongenalutho. Because if uzothola umuntu so well established, you don't know if they there because they love you or they there because of what you can provide.
Okay.
You understand?
Mm,
Because
that's true.
the
But
reason
even
why
that less, Kyle.
the reason why high rate divorce these days, ne? It includes finances, my guy.
It's the main contributing factor.
Do you understand?
No, we hear your
points.
But regardless, in every relationship, you enter a relationship because you benefit something. It's not something like
Yes,
the
that's true.
benefits. Let's say let's put money aside and everything aside. Like you're benefiting something.
Social
If
exchange.
like it's an
Social.
exchange. There's no one in a relationship that will love you like unconditional, unless it's your mother. Like
Hey, that's
everyone
true,
loves you
right?
because they have a reason. Like I mean, I can't tell them let's say I'm funny or anything. Or like I'm doing
There's
1, 2, 3. Or like,
Mm.
there's something like provide. But there's no way you'll enter a relationship then that person will say, "Hi, I am loving him because he's just him." There's no way.
Correct.
There's something like
Ah,
you're
there's
providing.
something.
Oh, something sweet.
There's something.
But what
you have
if
to
they
provide.
like you because you're just you?
Yeah, because I'm just me.
Yeah.
Let me explain this to you now. Like the person I am today, like I put in the effort.
Okay.
Then for me, to be just me, like let's say for me to act this way, like I've did some work. It may be subconscious, but regardless, I've did some work. So they loving me just because it's me, because I've did something, and they loving me for my personality.
Okay.
And my personality, I built it either through past experiences or maybe a family member, maybe I looked up to someone or something, but I built it. And so there's no one who love you unconditional unless
That makes sense.
God.
Yeah, true.
Unless,
That's facts.
unless by the
Yeah, sometimes-
we are benefiting somehow. Everyone benefits from everything. It might be an exchange.
Correct.
And so,
Yes,
in that
there is an
way, some
exchange,
exchanges
but-
are obvious. So good sharp. I give you money, you give me, and so on.
Oh.
They are obvious. They are born.
Obvious.
They are obvious. And so
There
on.
is an exchange there.
But then, in terms of like building a relationship, now, which one like it's more genuine between finding a person like your high school love or finding like a person from varsity then growing up with him, or it's more or less the same thing.
I think my guy, the best thing is to go with the flow. Ne? What do I mean by that? Obviously, you can't be guaranteed the dog with you find someone who will grow with university or high school. It happens to those people who are chosen. Maybe they met their soulmate at the right time. You understand? Because it happens, dog. You might find someone from high school and then ukhule naye, and then izinto ziyele nale. You understand? Kuya ngokuthi mhlambe mhlangane ngesikhathi esi-wrong. Sometimes it happens. You might meet your soulmate early during your journey. Maybe kube khona izinto ezenzekayo that will, yabo? Yeah, and then masawufika le, and then you reconnect with that person, and then izinto ziphinde zathi. It happens, bro. You
Some
understand?
journeys are different.
Yo, dog.
Which one do you prefer, guys?
High school or varsity?
I feel like
Before we started shooting, they asked, if I ask a question, is it possible to think for 1 minute? So then now,
Yeah, but
We're taking the minutes.
take your time.
I feel like I'm gonna say high school.
I'm gonna say varsity.
I feel like high school.
Okay, let's start with Minette. Why do you say varsity?
Okay, I think varsity because I feel like the person I was in high school and the person I am in varsity is very different. And imagine if I met someone in high school, right? And now that I'm a different person, they don't understand the change. Because some people don't like change. And then when you change, they're like, no, but what's happening to you? Like, you used to not, used not to be like this. And then you have to explain yourself. Hey. So I feel like varsity, when they meet you, because I feel like this is where you find yourself, right? So when they meet the person you are right now and they fall in love with that person, then yes. Yeah.
Makes sense.
Very fair point, innit?
Who? Crazy. Okay, let's. I feel like with high school, like, okay, when it comes
It's
to like
crazy, ne?
Kezia.
Keys.
Yeah.
Keys.
I feel like
Keys, yeah, boy.
Keys,
I can't be
yeah.
telling
Keys
you
is
this
like
all the time.
easy.
Keys, yeah.
Like a-
It's keys, yeah.
I feel like with high school, like that person like hasn't like seen like your changes and has seen who you are as a person yet. So I feel like they still know you at like the lowest point like of you as a person. So now it's like you guys are gonna like kind of work it up together, like to like kind of see who you are and how you want to change and all of that. So you're gonna do it together. So there's not gonna be like a shock when that person like is now like this, because now you've already understood who that person is already. So now it's like you're gonna be working your way up, like individual or together. It doesn't matter. So yeah.
Fair point.
Fair point.
Correct.
But Ete, what do you think? Oh.
Yeah, what I can say, bro. Hey, it depends, chief.
In terms of.
It depends on yeah. As a mood, it depends on individual, right? Because we've had those phases, man. Yabo, so high school, sure. Yabo, sikotomelile,
Hey.
akusebenzanga, sazama university,
Akusebenzi.
work.
I don't wanna laugh. I'm trying.
Yabo, so, I think what will prevail, and I'm still gonna say this, it's God's will, man. God's will prevail because my will, my will fails. So hey, there's nothing I can do. Yeah, but yeah, it still goes back to what I was saying. Ukuthi sometimes we are ukuthi umuntu usuke i-soulmate yakho na. Because I believe in my soulmate. You understand? So sometimes kuyenzeka ukuthi uhlangane naye too early, and then kube khona izinto like lento yama-varsity from high school, so ukuthi wena uyi-Cape Town yena mhlawumbe uya e-Wits, yabo, this distance sometimes iba khona because also how we react towards uthando, it's different, ne? Someone doesn't like prefers ukuthi kube into yokuthi I see you constantly so that my love for you can be stronger. Ne? And then I don't mind the long distance.
But in
It
distance
makes the heart fun.
Yeah.
It makes what?
The heart fun.
I don't know about that.
What is that?
Whoever said that,
I feel like it depends on the person. Because maybe the more you don't see, the more you miss them. Like, so you cherish the moment you have with them.
Yeah,
It depends.
Hey, yeah, it goes back to love language, ne? Yeah. Understand. So iyahluka lento le. Mina personally, I wouldn't go for a long distance relationship as of yet. You understand? Because I know I can't. Mina ngiprefer umuntu ngimbone, you understand? Ngihlezi ukuba I spend quality time with that person, you understand? I prefer it in the old school ngaleyo ndlela. Yabo? Yeah, semlanjeni kanje yabo. Sifika laphayana under
Emlanjeni is the river, ne?
yeah, the river.
Yeah, taking a picnic.
With my guitar.
Oh, guitar. Okay.
Yeah, but picnic vibes. Yeah, mina ngikholela lezo zinto lezo. And then lokho kunye ke, for me no, I don't think yeah. Abantu abafani though. But mina personally, long distance no. I wouldn't go for a long distance. But it depends still. Maybe ngizobe sengikhulile by that time. But for now, no. Yeah. What do you think about long distance?
You wanna go first? Oh, you can go because I'm still trying to.
I think not like it, but I can do it because most of the time I really need my space, right? So when I don't see a person, like it's not a thing of I'm getting mad. I'm okay. Like we'll see each other when we see each other.
Yeah, true. That's right.
So yeah.
I feel like if both of you are willing to make it work, then
Yes.
it can work. Like, So I
Buenos Pitori.
How long? How many days?
Yeah, Baba.
At least Nyamalala 3 days.
Yeah,
At least 3 days. Not more than 3 days. Boy, I can't.
About first semester, how many months, dog?
Boy,
You put it.
now I'm not willing to be part of the long distance relationship.
Hey, now I'm not.
Now I'm not.
Hey,
So please. Sharp.
and so, okay, you know celebrities, right? I'm sure you all know Nesty Sianker. You all
Yeah.
know Aries as well, right?
Yeah.
My question now is,
Where?
Nesty C or Aries?
The great debate.
Oh my god, that's like a difficult one. Wait.
I might just get cancelled at this point, guys. Yo.
Should we give a reason?
Yeah, you can.
Damn. I would say let's see.
Okay.
She'll say Aries.
Yeah, but I don't have a reason.
You don't
Say-
have
Okay, I don't listen
Like-
to an STC, that's why. I've listened to Aries.
Is it?
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna choose
So
it.
you've listened to both of them.
No, only in STC.
Um,
Yeah.
okay.
They go to Gandula, so full mother.
Okay. J. Cole. I'm sure you all know J. Cole.
Yeah.
J. Cole or Drake?
Drake.
Drake, like
Drake.
Drake,
Drake.
Drake.
I know.
Drake.
Okay.
Drake.
No, it's not about the fame.
J. Cole's about what?
Okay, I know
Drake.
J. Cole, his bars, man. Not gonna lie, it's lyrical.
Yes.
But
I like
Drake,
guys.
come on, guys.
I'm fighting.
Drake is on my number one.
Yeah.
Each
We
month.
are both Drake
Each month.
lovers,
So,
we can.
Drake,
And
Drake.
I was waiting for it. I was like, wait, I'm fighting. No.
Where do you guys say J. Cole?
J. Cole, like I can relate.
No,
We can also-
lyrics. Oh my
I
god.
can relate, even though like I'm a person can relate, like sometimes I should have to kind of, but
I get it, but
J. Cole,
J. Cole, boy,
Good storyteller.
yo, boy,
He is, but
No,
Red
Yeah.
Dreams,
but Drake.
Yo, brah.
yo, boy,
Yo, Forest Hill Drive. dog.
boy.
Come on.
Boy.
J. Cole.
I feel like, not personally, I feel like Drake is overhyped for me.
I like
He's-
same dog. Same.
He's not.
I like
He's,
same.
the hype is
Is it because
valid.
of his new
I
songs?
go to.
Not okay, sharp.
good.
I'm saying let's put like his recent work aside
Okay.
in terms of his whole career.
No,
No,
From
the
upbringing.
hype is worth it. I can't lie. You guys
You're
have
talking
to
about his
listen.
songs. Okay,
Yo.
then I will understand because his old songs still hits though.
Yeah.
Till this
day,
Nah,
till this
yeah.
day.
Not
I
some.
But like,
Drake Rock Dala, the old one.
yeah, I
West
get
Coast.
that. Yeah.
Yeah, you see that Drake.
I get
Yeah.
that.
Hey, this one, you know, this one, Chris Brown, Drake. I
Don't say that.
I know,
No,
this
but
one,
the
I say
new
that.
albums need time. Like they need time,
Yeah.
and you need to listen to them.
But I
And-
get why they say like,
like,
Iceman. Not even saying Iceman.
they need time, guys.
Not
Can't
even mentioning
lie.
Iceman.
Kanye West or Travis Scott?
Kanye, definitely
Not
Kanye.
Travis Scott.
Definitely, like without
Did you watch that performance from last year? I don't know where
Last
he was.
stage con.
Dog,
Yo,
it's
you
like a
don't-
planet or
Yeah,
something.
ume phezulu da.
No.
Kanye West is crazy. Kanye West is too much.
Kanye West is like
Man.
But Travis Scott,
It's like
I feel
I
like
have
Travis
to-
Scott.
no,
As in
genuinely.
Scott's obvious.
Scott, yeah, Scott.
Yes, and Scott.
Look, Mommy, I Can Fly. You know that concert?
Mommy.
I feel like Travis is inspired by Kanye.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kanye.
But okay, Kanye and Drake.
Drake.
I need Kanye, dog.
No?
Nah, I hate Drake, man.
I need
Why?
Kanye, dog.
Why?
He's an op.
I don't even
He's
really
an
know.
op.
Yeah,
I
He's
mean,
an
Kanye-
op.
I'm speaking based on like creativity and also how he articulates himself when it comes to making like Kanye's music price. It's too
I don't
much.
think so.
Okay,
Like,
Dylan.
It's insane.
No, but like you
But
need to
Drake,
listen to
Drake is
Drake.
normal.
He's not
Drake
no. Guys,
normal.
come on.
Drake is
No.
different.
He's different.
He's
I
different.
Kendrick Lamar is a goat to that one.
He's
But he
okay.
does Drake, so
It's
we're not
alright.
going for that. We're not going for that.
Mm-mm.
We're not going for that.
Chris Brown or Drake?
Drake.
Drake.
Where is
Chris
No,
Brown.
no,
Who?
there's
Why?
Out of all people,
I know there's
Guys, why would you choose Chris Brown?
Not everything.
He's literally
against
an
me.
abuser.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, come
we
on.
don't forget.
Come on, we don't forget.
We make mistakes.
Ah,
Yeah, we make
Ah,
mistakes. Like
no,
sometimes,
no,
okay, sometimes
that
there's
can't be a
good, but sometimes,
mistake.
okay, sharp.
Mm-mm.
Honestly, like, it can be a mistake, but
It
sometimes
can never
girls
be a
do push
mistake.
us to a certain point, to a
Can
point
never be
No,
pushed
that
to that
doesn't
point.
excuse his
Can-
behavior.
You guys push us all the time, but you
Mm.
don't see us going around
Yeah.
slapping anyone. Like, come on.
like, just
Mm-mm.
walk away.
So
Like,
that's how you'd validate yourself.
Now I won't do anything to validate you.
hey, we're about to.
No,
Young
Hey.
man,
no.
I'm not saying what he did is right. That's what I'm not saying.
But you can't remove that action from him. Even
Yeah.
if he
He
did
did
it
it,
in
yeah.
1999, he
Yeah,
still
Mela
did
Shades
it.
Yeah, he did it. He has to be crucified. But sometimes now we have to look at the root causes of the problem. What caused him to react that way? It may be either, let's say for me, personal, somewhere. What caused me to act that way? I'm sorry.
There can't be a reason.
There has to be a reason.
valid
I
one.
can't
There
just wake up
can't
and go
be.
hit someone.
Yeah, I think
Even
Even if you have
Even
a
if
valid
it's
reason,
angry, even
it's
as well.
It's wrong.
exactly.
It's-
You're allowing
Yeah,
your
that-
emotions
but-
to get in the way.
What will solve that problem? It's finding the root cause and
No,
solving it before
it's
even.
locking him
Mm.
up. We
Sure.
don't want his reason.
But,
don't want
okay,
his
sharp,
reason.
looking him up, then there are
Mm.
many people who look up on him. Then.
Why?
What are the chances of a young boy sees that as a great thing after looking him up? Because we didn't solve the root cause of the problem.
No, if that's also another problem. If you're gonna look up to someone who beats women, you're just
sometimes
hey,
it's childhood trauma.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Maybe you grew
I'm
up
sorry. Hey.
seeing your father always abusing your mother. It happens.
You see, in those
How many households
situations,
does that
Nish,
happen in
bruh,
South Africa now? Or
in
the
that
world?
But
situation,
it's wrong though.
You're not
if you
wrong,
see
you're
your
not
mom
wrong.
being hit and you don't like it, now why would you go and do the same
So it's
thing?
another woman.
No, like let's say maybe you were exposed to that while you were still young.
Still,
Yes.
Still young.
That's
You
why I'm
understand?
asking, like, how did it make you
Obviously.
feel?
So, my man,
Like
when you're growing up, let's say you're maybe go crash or something,
Mm.
or maybe grade up,
Mhm.
you see your father hitting your mother,
Mm.
every day, treating him bad, whatever.
Mm.
In your mind, subconscious, you know that this is wrong, but eventually, like your subconscious mind will think that
Yeah,
that
true, see.
thing, this is how I should treat a girl.
Yes,
This is how I
do you
should
understand?
treat. If
Yeah,
you see, okay, why isn't it that if your father buys your mother flowers every day, you're growing up seeing your father buying your mother
Exactly, you do
flowers,
the same
but
thing.
you do the same thing for your girlfriend. Am I wrong? So then why is it when that thing like whereby childhood trauma and the opposite buying flowers, is it not something to validate? But
I hear you.
Yeah.
Yeah, we get you. We get you.
So that's what I'm saying. Why, if the opposite is high, that you can't validate that action by this thing?
Because
but if
it's
it comes from,
wrong.
you
I
can't
feel
validate,
like even
okay,
if
do the
there's
right
a
thing. What caused the
reason,
right thing? What happened if you did the right thing? If you become successful, they'll ask you, what did you do?
yes. But I feel
studied
like
every day. I did 1 2 3 1 2 3.
no, in this situation,
Mm.
when something's wrong, you have to say it's wrong. Even if there's a reason, you have to say it's wrong. You can't be like, no, he had a father who grew up. No. Also, how do young men without a father learn how to treat a woman if they don't have that way? I think it's self-taught. Like some things you just have to teach yourself.
But the main contributing factor is seeing it. Also cool, like I'm telling you, man. Being in a household like being in a household whereby your family is married and you love each other, it's more like it's normal for you to express love for other people. It's normal for you to express love for Scouts, for my chance, or anyone I meet. But if I grew up in a household whereby I'm led by a single parent, I'm not saying it is difficult, but it will have a contributing factor whereby it will be difficult to look for and with manja. Love, what is love?
Oh, because that person doesn't
Abafana
know.
izinja.
Yes.
Yabo, understand? So that's why then those same people abakhuba single parent will end up being on TikTok bakhuluma about story time. This boy did this and that and that and that. Whereby you didn't even like some sort of a father figure. That's what I'm saying. Kawabaye tungabalekeli kumele ubuyele ebantwaneni bakho.
Yeah, you have to.
Kumele ubuyele boy, as much as it hurts and ungazani impilo mama. Kumele ubuyele boy.
Yeah, that's true, dog. Yeah, that's true, man.
So what I'm saying, guys, father figure is very important.
Yes.
It's very important.
Yeah, you've had a little so.
But a mother's love, it can play Hasha, the father figure wise, Angas.
Nah. Hey. Yeah. No, it's bad.
Yeah.
No, it's bad. Ngisaqhubeka nikahle khona into engikhohliwe la because I was supposed to say if ngithi NSTC or Aries, let's say you pick me in STC and then you just name 2 songs. Ne? But sengidlulile la. Mara ngibuyile futhi. Java or Casper your best.
Casper.
What?
You're like, what?
I think they prefer Heat.
Yeah,
Heat
overhyped
than
songs,
being
yeah.
a lyricist.
Oh.
Guys, do you know Shava? Oh, you don't know Shava?
I know
Who
Shava.
is Shava?
I've heard his songs. Like, it's just not something. Okay, maybe it's not something I'm into, né? But I don't listen to him.
Yo.
I also don't listen to Kiss, but that's not the point.
And you?
I only know Casper songs, so that's why I said Casper. That's why I said Casper.
She can just Java. Oh, yes.
Shava or
That's why I said Casper.
Java.
Shava?
You wanted to say Casper.
When I Scotty who?
It's Java.
It's Java.
Because of the things in his songs. Like, I get.
Yo, boy.
I get.
Message.
Like it's Java is too much.
This Java has a song for heartbreak. Has a song
Everything, bro. Everything.
Exactly.
Like Drake.
Yeah.
That's
You're gonna mention Drake.
Exactly.
Yes.
I don't think you know. I don't think. Nomfundo mo onaledi appeal.
I prefer
Okay,
Nomfundo
no,
more.
not lady.
Nomfundo more lo 20 tamana. LOVE.
She sings.
Wait, na lady who?
Naledi
Onaledi
appeal.
appeal.
Oh,
Chris
na
Brown.
lady.
Oh,
Chris
that
Brown,
one,
yeah.
yeah.
So which one?
Her.
Aledi.
Aledi.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because
You
of
know
her
Nomfundo
voice.
though?
No.
Oh, that's why.
You don't know Nomfundo?
No.
Is that girl who sings this song? It's Kon.
Oh, okay.
So
You can sing, but
I know. Thanks, man. Thanks. Okay. I don't know. You will tell me. Taliwonga. You know Taliwonga?
Yes.
Or Setrio?
Yeah. You're full name, Jolo. I need a friend.
What are his songs with
Who? Taliwonga?
Setrio?
Setrio. I piki mabela na sala salela.
Okay. Okay.
And also that song.
Setelo ini.
Kena chelete. Ayangwazi nokula.
Okay, Setrio.
Oh, Setrio.
Setelo Taluang. You know Taluang.
I know he's a good singer. He's a good singer, but I stand by my choice.
Yeah. I am Setrio. Ki coast. Yeah, ki coast. Yeah. And then,
Okay, but Delhi, when it comes to the choir,
Setelo Timen Express.
oh, yeah.
when it comes to the choir, yes,
Setelo Timen Express.
Team Express. Remember, come on.
Timen Express or Setelo.
Setrio. Uthi mina iyacula konje?
Come on, he's good. But still, he's got it. I can't lie.
So Timen, no
Timen.
Timen. I miss it.
Hey boy, Timen Express.
Remember that
Timen.
song?
Maybe.
Me and we keep posting that. Remember?
Oh, that
Yes,
song.
yes.
Okay, I know that.
Yeah.
It's a nice.
It is.
Setrio is too much.
No, T-Man's got it.
Like,
Can't
I feel
lie.
like Setrio needs to be studied. Think about it. That guy is too much. He also raps, by the way. Setril.
Boy, do you know Timon Express?
I know Timan, man.
Shit.
When is he
I'll do
producer?
that. Omaz, that's why, Omaz.
You know where Samurai what?
I'm Musa Keys. Not
Man.
Musa Keys.
Timan une project the Samurai what?
Yes.
I know that guy. I used to go to school with him.
Oh yeah, I remember.
That's why. Cubs are small or Kevin Momo.
Kelvin.
I
Hey, Kelvin.
As a
Momo.
produce. Kabza is small.
Kelvin.
Kevin.
Kelvin's too
Kelvin.
good. Like
That's a
you,
good one. Look at that.
guys.
That's a
Yo,
good
everybody
yeah,
Momo,
yeah.
guys. Yo,
King of our piano.
Kelvin.
Sharp.
Yena uNtswembu bekashisa safika amanje. Amanje.
Kelvin.
Mfoka Momo. Hayi makancane. And then sino Gideon or Frank Ocean.
Frank Ocean.
Wena?
Awubazi.
Yo,
Oh my
Frank
God.
Ocean.
Awubazi.
I only know Gideon, so I'm a people.
Yo, Frank,
I know
guys.
Frank.
No, Gideon is full of
You,
heartbreaks.
yo,
No,
he's just.
Blakey or Smamani?
Who's man? Blake.
Who's Mama Nicole?
Blake, I don't know.
Who's
Mama?
Who's Mama?
Smamani comes, Mama.
Does he
Smamani
sing?
comes, Mama. Yeah?
Does he sing?
No,
That
he's
is
a rapper.
sing.
Blake.
Where is he from?
You don't know Usmamani?
No.
Usmamani is the guy who made Blakey Bow. Who made
Crazy.
Blakey Bow, and you don't know Usmamani?
Who's Mama Nicole?
What is you don't know Usmamani? He dissed like three guys, A1, and he conquered them all, including Blakey. Like it was trending like early this year. Okay, need to Blakey. Why need to Blakey?
Yeah,
Yeah,
music,
yeah,
ne?
yeah.
You like music, ne?
Yes,
Ah,
I
yeah,
listen
yeah.
to.
Okay, Blakey. MT or Tanya Devs? You know Tanya Devs?
No,
Yeah. Okay, Black Diamond. Yeah. You know Black Diamond?
I know
I've
Blake.
heard, but I don't know.
I
the
don't listen
songs.
to him.
None, I guess.
I know it's all. Benna Boy or Davido?
Penna Boy.
You know Benna Boy?
Song.
Yeah.
Oh, is there a non option?
Penna Boy. Not the nun.
Oh, boy. No, it's bad. Se or Masejo?
Masejo.
You know Masejo?
I don't know,
You don't know Masejo?
but I know, sir.
You know his songs?
Can you name one song? Like King?
Okay. Yeah. He recently dropped a project now. There's one song that he released, Masejo.
Also, sir just dropped a song, a single. So, yeah.
Yeah. Masejo and Se have a song together.
I've heard the name.
You've heard the name,
Yeah.
so you don't know which one to pick.
No, sir.
Se.
Mm.
Se Masejo.
What's a tab, Lavanda, about it?
I listen to good music.
Knows a lot. Knows a lot.
Good music.
Where are they from?
Masejo is Jamaican. Se, I think it's from the United States. But to Masejo, Masejo.
Like,
She's from the United
Jamaica.
States.
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah, it's from Jamaica.
Originally Jamaica.
Originally Jamaican. I don't know how. Masejo.
How does she pronounce your name?
Masejo.
Maybe it has a different meaning for Mama
Maybe.
Masejo.
Maro Masejo, yeah, umubekile na uyabona Masejo. Yabo. So yeah, man. I think, yeah. Do you listen to Maskandi? You look like you listen to Maskandi.
I look like
Oh my days.
What is that even supposed to mean?
You don't listen to Maskandi?
I don't listen to it, but I know some
You know
songs.
some songs.
Yes.
You know this song, it's Nyathanda.
I've heard it on TikTok.
It's nice, ne? Is it nice?
No,
You're not sure?
no,
You don't like to Kukuga?
no. I'm not Zulu, so no.
Okay.
You're not Zulu.
No,
Mm.
I'm closer.
Mm.
Oh, closer.
Mm.
You know Langamavuso?
No.
You don't know Langamavuso? You know Loyiso?
Yes.
Do you know Langamavuso?
Luis, idols, I get.
Yes.
Idols.
You don't know Langa?
Idols.
Nah, Idols.
Yeah.
You don't know him? Yeah, Ubano Moon. Do you know Jack Sparrow? You know Jack Sparrow?
Why would you now ask me? Yeah, I know.
You know him?
Yeah.
Okay. Jack Sparrow or Ubano Moon, if it's like Afrikaans. Ubano Mchitosha,
Crazy.
Tassa, Biga, this man. Yeah, you know that.
Do you listen
I
to
know
African
this song,
music?
but no, I don't like African music. I so I hate it. No.
Why?
It's not
Why?
like it's no.
It's not nice.
Back in
They call
primary
it
high
as country
school,
music.
I had to listen to it,
Yeah,
guys.
it's like country music.
Uh-huh.
Do you guys
Yeah,
listen to
Tafizela
country music?
Misaka.
You don't
No.
listen to country. Do you listen to country music, bro?
Nah, bro.
You don't?
I know Mamilaka.
Me, I listen to country music, bro.
Bamboo.
Country music is nice, man. Yeah, you must check out Kalio. You know Kalio? Yeah, he's a very good musician, man. You know, yeah, if you're trying to, find some taste in music, you should check him out. It's good musician.
My brother, what do you think about predicate privilege?
What is that?
What?
Pretty
Predicate
girl
privilege.
Oh,
privilege.
shitty.
What is that, chief?
Whereby girls using their beauty to gain opportunities and stuff,
Oh yeah.
to gain access
No,
to job opportunities.
they must tell what they must, man. They are gifted.
They're gifted
So
by
they
the
must
Lord.
open doors. They must open doors. Chief. If it works, it works.
Is it good or bad? Is it good or bad?
In terms of them using or getting opportunities because
If it's
they're pretty.
opportunities, then
Using them, exploiting that opportunity because of
Get
predicate
it.
privilege.
Yeah.
Like, do it. Like, why
a
you
door
gonna miss
open
an
for you,
opportunity
yeah.
now because
Do
do it.
Do it,
I'm
Baba.
sure you also use money.
But it depends. Hela, they can't obviously.
Vibing because like
Hela, if this is a kuluma with context, maybe they trying to manipulate you to do something for them. My guy.
Yeah.
It depends. We are not the same. For me, no, doesn't work. Decline. Even if your face card approves, here it will decline. You understand? So for me personally, it doesn't work.
body or face.
Hey my guy.
It's taking so long.
Choose one.
And a reason.
Yes.
Shit. Are you getting any option?
Nah, but you choose one.
I will create it. Personally, TikTok.
Nah, you have to choose one, boy. Body or face. If you're a gent, what would you choose?
Face.
Face.
But I feel like also girls can choose between your face or your body.
Yeah.
Girls can also choose.
Yeah.
What do you guys choose? Six pack. She's like, no, it's six pack or a facial expression. Who's on facial expression? Facial features.
I was like, oh, they don't understand.
It's tough, the
Why?
question has stuck. Like honestly speaking, it's tough.
Okay, what
It's
would
not
you
that tough.
choose? Because it's
Face.
not tough for you. Face. Okay.
Would you, now I choose who I want my daughter to look like me.
Okay.
Because ngeke ukuthi ufuna unqosi wakho ka ebenibu nezihoti zilingana zaka umuntu hayi wena it don't make sense. Imagine your child having such a big ass. Your child Boy,
What?
Mara.
What?
Yeah, I'm peeing back on abantu abayifunayo, but for me now, boy.
Mara, yeah, like face.
Face. That's why I choose face once.
Face, please. Yes.
For a gent 6-pack. Mara, I think for gents, it is changeable because I can go to the gym.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think face.
They'll choose the face,
Face.
obvious.
Mm.
7 minutes. 20.
Ah,
Good
thank you.
job.
Yeah,
Girl.
It's time.
Mm.
yeah, let's try it.
I feel the boy.
Yeah, Bafethu. Yeah,
You can drop your your.
Oh,
Yeah, you can drop your
I mean,
social media
content
handles.
It's 3NT on all socials. Yeah.
3NT.
Plenty as in like a Jew.
No, like
yours.
my
Oh.
because my nickname is Endless, so 3NT as an ENT.
Oh,
Yeah.
JT. Yeah.
Mm.
Then
Okay, mine is just my name, my surname, Kizia Mali.
Kiziamali.
Yeah. There you go.
That's Mali.
Bayete,
Yeah.
what's your name?
Me,
What's your name?
Kizia.
Yeah. Need to clear comments, guys.
Wow.
Yeah, Bafethu. Siyabonga kakhulu. It was a productive one. Yeah, we had fun, man. Yeah, we laughed. Ngishengile nami. Spitori. Ubuyile. Yeah, ubuyile. Siyabonga Fethu, yabo.
I'm back in
He comes from rehab. He's recovering. Yeah, but yeah, we are here, man.
Guys, it's in you, man.
Guys,
It's in you, man. So, guys, now, so Kapu Bayete, Landa Bantana Bay.
yeah, man. So yeah, Bafethu, thank you so much. Siyabonga kakhulu, beautiful ladies, for blessing us with your presence today. We hope to see you again. We hope to see you again. I think there's a lot we need to discuss. Yeah, now let's It's Vibescape Origin Podcast Government, where no topic is off
Topic!
Siyabonga Bafethu. Danko bless.
Spitur, 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 spitur. I try my gazaga like always my dideng I bad bichu. I break out the panka around from the khata the tata I bam bichu. I cover the zaga I find out the broker gon' blow her like funny do. I'm losing my focus right now, they be killing my spirit like Hardy bro. Motherfucker kiss party chu. Kitori effects akilati dog. I'm pushing the candle con light dog. Royal I loyally kiss ke mufel. Fuck the vibe mufel. Pitori yitswiri di chi people. La focalistina sa zakya uchayla. Daman kiss taye for real ngempela. Ish it's race mfana. Really ne game on my wrist nyokfaga. LOVE for my cat nyak fries. A 10 out of 10 she a cash contender.